If y equals negative 3x plus 1 is the image of line K, under this translation, find the equation of K. In other words, this is the image line. They want the pre-image line. So this is the pre-image. This is the image. We're going from the before to the after. What we're going to need are two pre-image points to construct the pre-image line. Once we have the two pre-image points, we construct the pre-image line and we're done. So now identify two image points and convert them to two pre-image points. So in other words, find 2 points on this line, change them into pre-image points, and then use them to construct your line. So here's our image line. Now we need to identify 2 points on this line first. So you let x equal 0 and let x equal 1. You could pick whatever x's you like. These are easy x's. So by picking x equals 0, I could plug it into this equation and it'll tell me what its y is. It's y, partner y. So if I let x equal 0, y equal 1. X equals 0, y equal 1. This is one of the points on the image line. Now plug in x equal 1 into the equation and it'll give you the y partner for this x. So once you plug in x equal 1 into the equation, it tells you that it should be paired up with y equal negative 2. So notice this is x equal 1, y equal negative 2. This is the second point. These are two image points. Now we need to get those two image points and convert them to pre-image points. And you do that by using this rule. So since we were working with the image line, we're working with this side. So x plus 1 equals 0. These are the 2 points we found on the image line. So x plus 1 should equal 0. Set it equal to 0, solve for the x. Y minus 3 should be the y coordinate. So y minus 3 is the y coordinate. Solve for the y. Now that you have the x and the y all by themselves, these two will form the pre-image points. This is one of the pre-image points. Now for the second point, match them up. X plus 1 should equal 1. X plus 1 should equal 1, which means x should equal 0. Y minus 3 should equal negative 2, the y coordinate, right? Solve for the y, so y equal 1. So these form the pre-image point, another pre-image point. Now we have two pre-image points. With these two pre-image points, you could come up with your line. So find the pre-image line using these 2 points we found. So remember, our line is going to have this form, y equal mx plus b. So we need an m and a b. But now that we have these 2 points, just label them. Write your slope equation. Plug in how you labeled. Plug into this formula. Simplify. And we get an m equals negative 3. So now we know that this m is negative 3. To find the b, use one of these 2 points, and that'll get you the b. It doesn't matter which one you use. We'll go ahead and use this point. Looks easier to find the b. So now that you have this equation up to this point, x is 0, y is 1. You plug them in, solve for the b, and now finally we have the pre-image line, y equal negative 3x plus 1.